What is the equivalent of 2.67 million kilowatt hours? We asked AI. Covers approximately 8,500 Pakistani homes per month. Sets carbon emissions for 5.9 million miles driven in a car. Illuminates 54 million LED light bulbs. You have planted 450,000 trees and let them grow for 5 years. The carbon emissions that those trees will counteract is the equivalent of 2.67 million kilowatt hours of solar energy. Why this number? Since the installation of solar panels at our head office and our factory, Diamond Paints has generated 2.67 million kilowatt hours of solar energy. It was 83,000 kilowatt hours per month. Other than that, all of our paint products are lead free and our effluent treatment plant cleans 988,000 liters of water monthly. All these eco-friendly and sustainable practices, we are not only reducing our carbon footprint, but also working towards a greener, cleaner future for our future generations. From Diamond Paints, happy Environment Day. Please visit our website to learn more.